Welcome to BobMath. In this video, we have a new exercise for geometry. Prove that EBC greater than or equal E plus B minus C times E plus C minus B times B plus C minus A. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. We know that the sum of two sides of triangle is greater than the third side. So A plus B greater C, A plus C greater B, and B plus C greater A. So A plus B minus C greater 0, and E plus C minus B greater 0, and B plus C minus A greater 0. Now suppose X equals A plus B minus C, and Y equals A plus C minus B, and Z equals B plus C minus E. Now we have square root of X minus square root of Y all square greater than or equal 0. So square root of X all square plus square root of Y all square minus 2 square root of XY greater than or equal 0. Therefore X plus Y greater than or equal to square root of xy, and therefore x plus y divided by 2 greater than or equal square root of xy. We call this inequality 1. In the same way, we show that x plus z divided by 2 greater than or equal square root of xz, and y plus z divided by 2 greater than or equal square root of yz. We call this inequality 2 and this inequality 3. Now we multiply these inequalities side by side. So we got x plus y divided by 2 times x plus z divided by 2 times y plus z divided by 2 greater than or equal square root of xy times square root of xz times square root of yz. Therefore x plus y divided by 2 times x plus z divided by 2 times y plus z divided by 2 greater than or equal square root of x, y, z all square. So x plus y divided by 2 times x plus z divided by 2 times y plus z divided by 2 greater than or equal x, y, z. Therefore a plus b minus c plus a plus c minus b divided by 2 times e plus b minus c plus b plus c minus a divided by 2, and times e plus c minus b plus c minus a divided by 2 greater than or equal e plus b minus c times e plus c minus b times b plus c minus a. Therefore 2a divided by 2 times 2b divided by 2 times 2c divided by 2 greater than or equal a plus b minus c times a plus c minus b times b plus c minus a. Now we simplify the number 2, so we got a b c greater than or equal a plus b minus c times a plus c minus b times b plus c minus a. Therefore this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.